Hello students, in this chapter we will be reading about globalization and Indian economy. The name of the chapter is also globalization and the Indian economy. The word globalization means linking of national economy with the world economy is globalization. Connecting or linking national economy with the world economy, global economy. Now, a modern form of globalization, these MNCs plays a very important role. MNCs, multinational corporation. These are MNCs control or owns. It can be both. Directly they can own. The owner, they are the MNC is the owner, or it control production in more than one nation. It is not only selling product in different parts of the world, it has production unit or it can get its production done in different countries. That is MNC. Now MNCs generally set up production unit where they can reduce the cost of production. The main aim is to reduce the cost of production. So MNCs generally try to establish their production unit where they can get cheap labor or resources very cheaply they can get. So these are the general things which they need to reduce the cost of production. Mainly MNC try to set up production unit in country like China. Low cost structure. Mexico, East Europe. The reason is the closeness to market. For Mexico, the US, Canada are very close. For East Europe, the Western European countries are very close. They can easily transport the final finished products. So they try to set up in these countries. Then in country like India, skilled labor is easily available. Engineers are available. There is a English speaking population is the youth who can call centers etc. can be established here. So these are the countries where MNCs generally try to set up their production unit. Now there are variety of ways in which MNC can control production. The variety of ways like first investment. The money invested by MNC is known as foreign investment. So, suppose a company of US want to start its production in India, purchase land, set up industry, hire workers, and they can start the work. That is investment. Second, joint venture. They can join hand with a local company. There was a company, Hero Honda. Hero was Indian and Honda was a multinational company. Maruti Suzuki, joint venture. Toyota Kirloskar, joint venture. So these are when a multinational company join hand with a local company, Indian company, or because we are talking about India. Otherwise, it can be like of that country. So local company as well as MNC they can join hand and start production. Third is by a local company. And this is the most common route by which MNC start its production, and one example is given in NCERT book and question had been asked in board exam. Bharat Food, an Indian company. Cargill Food, MNC. purchase. But and Cargill Food became the largest edible oil producer in India. So this is also one way by which MNC can start production. Why to start like set up all the things on their own? Buy a local company. Joint venture. Instead of purchasing or investing, join hand with a local company which is having its own setup here. Third is placing order. Fourth is placing order. Instead of getting all the things done by itself in sports wear or such things, they can place order. Okay, we want particular type of shoes, suppose, and a local manufacturer is there. They can place order. Maybe this kind of shoe we want, this kind of leather we want, or this kind of material we want, this size, shape, design. All the things will be decided by MNC, and the local producer will produce for MNC. MNC will, along with its own brand name, writing this is Adidas or Reebok or whatever his name, and can sell it in the market. Both are getting advantage. Local manufacturer was unable to sell his product globally. Now, along with that MNC, the local producer is also able to sell his product globally. And MNC, they need not to invest anything. So many things they did not do. They only have to give the technology and the required things, and the local manufacturer will get it done. So these are the different ways by which MNC can control production in different parts. And MNCs are very powerful. They are having tremendous power to control all these things. They are very monetary wise, economically, they are very powerful. So they can easily control all such things. Clear?